Why buy bread when you can actually make a quick and easy sardine bread roll recipe straight from your own kitchen? Discover the ultimate comfort food hack with our delicious homemade sardine bread rolls recipe. You will be amazed at how easy it is to turn sardines into a mouth-watering, soft and fluffy bread roll. It is perfect for a quick breakfast, lunch or dinner. Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel and thanks for stopping by. Kindly subscribe, turn on the notification bell and let's have fun together. Watch till the end for the full recipe and don't forget to like, comment and subscribe for more healthy and active recipe ideas. All-purpose flour, then go in with sugar, then your salt, cinnamon, yeast, then you mix together. Ensure you incorporate it very well, and the full recipe will be in the description box below. Kindly check the description box to get our full recipes. Now we'll be going in with our egg, warm milk. Ensure the milk is a little bit warm. Then oil, that is olive oil. I made use of olive oil. Then this is the time to mix very well in order to form it into a dough. You can use a mixer or your hands till it becomes a dough. The dough will become sticky and soft until everything incorporates. Now you sprinkle flour on your worktop. Then we want to knead it very well here for everything to incorporate, all the ingredients to incorporate. You want to get a fluffy dough, not too hard and not too watery. Do you know this recipe is perfect, quick and very easy to make? That is it. That is the consistency you want to have. And here we will oil the bowl and return the dough to the bowl. We will cover and place it in one place and let it stay there for about an hour to rest and also to rise. Remember, we are making a bread dough, so it needs a room temperature for it to rise. And while we wait for our dough to rest, let's make a quick sardine sauce for the filling. You can actually use your sardine direct. Just drain out the oil and flake the fish, but we want to spice things up here, so we'll be using coconut oil. You can make use of olive oil or any oil of your choice. Then bell pepper, both red and the green. Then the flake sardine. There we have flaked the sardine there. Then you go in with it with some seasoning and salt. Then you fry. You can make use of lettuce if you like, that is optional anyway. Then fry for a while. Then it is ready to drain the oil. So we need to drain the oil because the oil will be making use of it later, and the oil cannot go into the dough like that, so we have to separate the oil from the flake. This is after an hour. Our dough has doubled in size, if not tripled in size. So this is where we are going to work with it to form our rolls. You continue to oil the worktop or you sprinkle some flour. So let's knead the dough and form our rolls here. A quick reminder, you can get permanent access to my recipe cookbook and other ebooks on easy to make homemade recipes from your hair to your skin, food, baking, and so on. Kindly check out the description box below to see how you can access them. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel, this is the right time and the best time to subscribe for more. After cutting and rolling into shapes like that, you're also going to cover for another 45 minutes to rest and to rise. So this is after another 45 minutes. As you can see, it has doubled again. Then you oil the top. You oil the top with the sardine oil. Also oil your baking pan before placing the dough on it. Then you bake for 20 minutes. You can also bake while using your gas. You can bake using the pot. Just put some stone in the pot or the head of a stove, the iron part. Then you place your baking pan on it as well. Then you bake under low heat if you're using gas. You bake under low heat for 20 minutes or 30 minutes. But if you're using the oven, you bake under low heat for 20 minutes. And there we have it, our soft and fluffy bread roll. Just go in with your tea or any beverage of your choice. It is a soft, hot, yummy bread recipe or bread roll, you will want to try this, trust me. Thanks for watching everyone. Kindly share your thoughts and comment in the comment section, and don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Also turn on the notification bell for you to be notified whenever we drop another video. See you in our next video.